good morning, and it's Anna again, and welcome to my channel, the ANAther Travel Show. So today we are here in Davao City. Ayan! Welcome to Davao City. And ang napili nating pagsustihan dito ay itong Casa Leticia dito sa Camo Street, Davao City. So malapit ito, right in front of People's Park. So this Casa Leticia has been here for long, pero hanggang ngayon matibay pa rin. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo itong lugar na to para magkaroon kayo ng idea pag pupunta kayo dito sa Davao City kung saan kayo pwede tumira. Ayan, samahan niyo po ako guys, and let's go! We got the 2 single beds. It was okay, it was clean. The floor is not sticky. The rooms here, they're clean, comfortable. Hindi siya ganon kalaki. And malamig yung aircon. Sobrang lamig. But you can adjust it anyway. So yung CR nila, hot and cold shower. And of course, bawal na bawal dito manigarilyo. Malaki yung fine dito and you can go in prison too. Kasi yun ang city ordinance nila dito. For those smokers, they should be designated areas. And you should always ask where. Do not just light your cigarette anywhere you want. Because you're really gonna get in trouble. Just got our breakfast and we will eat this one, the first breakfast here in Davao City ever. So this is what I ordered. I ordered the bangus, like sardines. This is free with the room. So yung room namin good for at least 2 adults, and kung kaya nyo, kung maliliit like baby, yeah, 2 single bed lang kasi yung kinuha namin. It comes with the free breakfast every day. Let's eat. Try natin yung baby bangus. Sardines, baby bangus. Ito daw yung best seller nila dito. Or best, ordered. Thank you. Kaya pala siya best seller. Sarap. Tapos na-prito pa siya. Yummy. Ang food naman nila dito, free breakfast sila dito. Masarap din naman yung mga food nila dito. Even the staff, they are very welcoming and very accommodating. If you happen to come to Davao, visit Davao, you may option this hotel for your staycation kasi very convenient siya and also affordable. And ang lugar na ito, usually yung nag-check-in dito, mga businessmen, businesswomen, pero marami ding foreigners. Average yung prices nila, depende rin yun kung peak season or not. So if you walk in straight to their counter, they will give you the proper rates. If you come to stay here and try this place, I'm sure you're not gonna regret it. I hope you guys like this video also, and please don't forget to support my channel by clicking like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new upcoming videos. And that's it for today. See you again on another travel show. And later, we will go straight to People's Park, which is right in front, to do jogging. It's still early because we arrived here very early. So that would be a separate video. See you there. See you there. This is kulintang. Kulintang. So, isa siya sa pinaka sinaunang music instrument ng Filipino.